In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fusion 360 installation errors quickly and easily. If your installation keeps failing midway, throws random errors, or Fusion 360 just refuses to launch after installing, don't worry. This step-by-step method will help you get it working properly. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a quick tip that can fix stubborn issues most people miss. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to delete the old installer. A lot of installation problems happen because of corrupted or outdated setup files. Go to your downloads folder or wherever you originally saved the Fusion 360 installer and completely remove it from your system. This ensures you're not reusing a broken file. Next, download a fresh installer directly from the official Autodesk website. Open your browser, search for Fusion 360 download, and make sure you're on the official Autodesk site. Download the latest version of the installer. This step is important because older installers may not work properly with current system updates. Once the new installer is downloaded, the next step is to run it as an administrator. Right-click on the installer file and select Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system, which can prevent many common installation errors. If you skip this step, the installation might fail or not complete properly. Now let's talk about your internet connection. Fusion 360 requires a stable internet connection during installation because it downloads additional components in the background. If your connection is unstable or keeps dropping, the installation can fail or freeze. So make sure you're connected to a reliable network before starting the install process. Now, when should you actually use this fix? This method works best if your installation fails halfway through, if you're seeing random or unknown error messages, or if Fusion 360 installs but won't open afterward. These are the most common scenarios where this solution works effectively. Here's a quick bonus tip. If reinstalling Fusion 360 still doesn't solve the problem, try temporarily disabling your antivirus software and make sure your Windows operating system is fully up to date. Sometimes antivirus programs can block installation processes, and outdated system files can cause compatibility issues. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most Fusion 360 installation errors and get back to using the software without any issues. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.